Have you ever wondered if protein drinks could be the secret weapon to burn fat faster and stay full longer? You've probably seen those colorful shakes promising weight loss results, but do they actually work? Or are they just another trend? In today's video, we'll uncover the science behind protein drinks for weight loss, the best ones to choose, and how you can use them effectively without sabotaging your progress. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal the biggest mistake people make with protein drinks that can completely stall your weight loss journey. Why is protein so important for weight loss? Why is everyone obsessed with protein for weight loss? Is it really that powerful? Protein plays a critical role in weight loss by keeping you full, boosting metabolism, and preserving lean muscle mass. Protein takes longer to digest, helping you eat fewer calories. Plus, it has a high thermic effect, which means your body burns more calories digesting it. Have you ever felt hungry just 30 minutes after eating a carb-heavy snack? That's because protein keeps hunger hormones in check and keeps you satisfied longer. So, we know protein is important, but how do protein drinks fit into the picture? Are they better than real food? What are protein drinks and how do they work? Are protein shakes just glorified milkshakes? Or do they actually help you shed pounds? Protein drinks are liquid supplements packed with protein, designed for quick, convenient nutrition. When used correctly, protein drinks help you replace a high-calorie meal with a low-calorie, protein-rich shake that keeps you full. Common types of protein: whey, casein, plant-based, like pea, soy, and egg protein. For weight loss, you want a drink that's high in protein, but low in sugar and empty calories. But wait, there are so many protein drinks out there. Which ones are the best for weight loss? Let's find out. Top protein drinks for weight loss. Which protein drinks can help you lose weight the fastest, and which ones should you avoid? Breakdown of the best options. Whey protein, fast digesting, great for post-workout recovery. Plant-based proteins, pea, hemp, ideal for vegans and those with dairy intolerance. Casein, protein, slow digesting, great for reducing nighttime cravings. Meal replacement shakes. If chosen wisely, these can replace a meal while keeping calories in check. What to avoid? Protein drinks loaded with sugar, artificial flavors, or unnecessary fats. A 200-calorie shake with 25 grams of protein can keep you full for hours, compared to a sugary smoothie that leaves you hungry an hour later. Now that you know which protein drinks to pick, you're probably wondering, how do I use them to actually lose weight? How to use protein drinks for weight loss effectively. Is drinking protein shakes every day enough to see results? Or is there more to it? Replace one meal. Use a protein shake to replace breakfast or lunch to control calories. Post-workout nutrition. Use protein drinks after a workout to aid muscle repair and fat loss. Snack replacement. Have a protein drink instead of unhealthy snacks to reduce cravings. Calorie awareness. Remember, protein drinks aren't magical. You still need a calorie deficit to lose weight. Sample routine. For example, replace breakfast with a protein shake, eat balanced meals for lunch and dinner, and use shakes to avoid late-night snacking. You might be thinking, what happens if I only drink protein shakes? Can I lose weight faster? Let's clear up that myth right now. The dangers of relying too much on protein drinks. What are the risks of using protein drinks as a quick fix for weight loss? Over-reliance. Drinking shakes without real food can lead to nutrient deficiencies. Muscle loss. Risk. Extreme calorie cutting can cause muscle loss, which slows metabolism. Digestive issues. Too many protein shakes, especially low-quality ones, can cause bloating or discomfort. Sustainability. Can you really see yourself drinking shakes instead of meals for the rest of your life? For lasting results, balance is key. So, we've covered the good and the bad. But here's the burning question. What's the best way to combine protein drinks with real food for long-term success? Protein drinks and a balanced diet. How do you create a weight loss plan that works without sacrificing your favorite foods? Tips for balance. Pair protein drinks with healthy whole foods like lean meats, veggies, and healthy fats. Focus on nutrient-dense meals alongside shakes. Don't skip exercise. Protein works best when paired with strength training. Protein shakes are a powerful tool, but they're just one piece of the puzzle. Real food, consistency, and activity are the keys to success. Let's quickly recap. We explored why protein is important for weight loss, the best types of protein drinks, how to use them effectively, and why balance matters. Remember, protein drinks can help you shed pounds, but they're not a magic fix. Combine them with real food and healthy habits to see real, sustainable results. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more weight loss tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments. Have you tried protein shakes before? What's your favorite? Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.